Everybody say ring ding.
Ring ding.
Now, my dear children, and I have put on the table a paper with the song ring ding. So, cause 7 weeks now, me throat, me don't know if a chikungunya, committing chikungunya did done ya. I have to go and need your help to sing ring ding, but let's pretend say we in Miss Louise Bennett ring ding, all right? So I will pretend he's Miss Louise. All right, everybody, let us sing the ring ding song. There's a concert here for you and me. There's a concert here today. There's a concert here for all of we. There's a concert here too. Come along, there's a concert here today. Come along, there's a concert here today. So take your seat and pose your best. There's a concert here today. Pom pom, come on here, the pom pom of the sun. Thank you. Pom pom, yes, my dear. Lords, let me tell you, children, you know, so we come from a heritage with nice songs and riddles and poems, and most of all, with language. Hey, yes, my dear, with nice Jamaican patois. And please, me no want to hear nobody say patois or patois. It's patois with nice patois. Come, me Auntie Rochi, she says she vexed. Oh, everybody said, feel language corrupt, but English derive. Well, we want to tell you, say, Auntie Rochi said, English did come from the Norman and the Greek and the English too. So how come our language which come from the nice African people then and the Asian and the English, we corrupt but them derive? We derive, say it. We derive. Oh, yeah, man. My Auntie Rochi, man, she get upset because she said, one day this nice tush girl, we don't know she go to England, and they asked her to sing a nice folk song. And the song, the name, Muma Muma de la Pupa. Me said the fool girl, she got there to sing, Mother, they apprehended. Mama. This a rock stone. And then they asked her to sing some other song. We never know, but she just mess it up. But what I want to say to you is, we must love the language. We must tell everybody out there, say, the African culture has given us a flavor with the English and the French and all of that to create a nice blending of flavor. So when you hear my Auntie Rochi talk about, say, the language, when you say it actually say what it mean. So when we say on a clap, thank you, you know what that mean, right? Yeah, thank you, weak, a walk. But you know, so when you talawa, you little but your talawa, you're strong. Not true?